Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fix the problem we met before. Before we doing so, now I'm going to show you to disassemble the toy grenade quickly. Okay, before you're doing that, you have to make sure that there isn't any gas inside, otherwise it's going to be very dangerous. Okay, so unplug the safety and put it away, and the flip also, and open up the cover and take out the gas can, leave it aside. And okay, you see here there's a pin inside, right? So remember, you have to pull it up a little bit. Okay, you can see from here it's pointing. Okay, it's gone from here, right? So put it up and press. Okay, press. Okay, and you got this. You put it away. Okay, so I think the problem we met before is because of this mechanism is kind of, lose its function. So we have to, unscrew the component and have a look. So we need this. First we unscrew this boss screw, okay, to take out the full component. Okay. Okay, release it. Remember, don't lose the screws. Okay, you can leave this cover aside. Well, you can see here, this is the this is the mechanism. Okay, then you have to carefully unscrew these two smaller screws, and remember, and here's the little things, okay, don't lose it. Okay, okay, after you unscrew the mechanism, you can see this. Okay, here, right? So be careful, don't lose it. Okay, so because you're going to have two of it. Okay, just leave it aside. Okay, now we're going to pop it up and have a look what's wrong with it. Pop it up. Okay, we see here. Oh, no wonder. Here's the O-ring. This is a rubber O-ring. Okay, I'm going to take it out. See here? See this? This is a rubber O-ring. Apparently, I think it's probably the size of the O-ring is too big. It's too big. So that's why, no matter how you screw the screw tighter, or you still cannot control the ignition pin. So now, for my suggestion, then we might need to change a smaller O-ring. Okay, so here. Okay, here. Okay, here, look here, see here, this is the original factory matte original O-ring, rubber O-ring, and this is the new O-ring. It looks smaller. Okay, so now I'm going to change the factory O-ring into a new smaller O-ring. This is also the rubber O-ring. Okay, let's take it up and put it back. Assemble it and put this in the back. Should be very careful, don't lose it, okay? Because this screw is really small. You don't want to lose it. I perhaps have to spend some time on this. Okay. Here. Okay. Don't make it too tight at the beginning. Just screw it. Just put it on. Okay. Okay. So then I'll put it back to the cover. Fix it up. Okay. Here's another one. Don't just make it fix. Okay, so now let's try this ignition pin. Oh, okay, let's do it again. Put it up and push in. Okay, let's try this. Okay, you see here, it makes it slower, right? So you see here, the ignition time became longer. Okay, you see here. So perhaps we use this. Okay, put it in, right? And after you unplug the safety and release the flip, and you throw it away and say fire in the hole. See here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, boom. Yes. So I think, so as we can see, the problem is fixed now. So later on, I'm going to show you again how it works. Okay, mission accomplished.